Hey everybody, Yogi here. I'm doing well. I hope you're doing well. Happy New Year to everybody. Wishing great things for all of you in 2023. I am in the city of Oconomowoc. Now the interesting thing about the city of Oconomowoc is that there was a world premiere done here of a classic movie, kind of, sort of. Now, as I swing this around, this is the Oz Plaza. And there's a little yellow brick road. Now, this film came out in 1939, The Wizard of Oz. And it premiered at the Strand Theatre in Green Bay, Wisconsin on August 10th, 1939. The first sneak preview was held actually in San Bernardino, California. The film was actually previewed in 3 test markets: in Kenosha, Wisconsin, and Dennis, Massachusetts on August 11th, 1939. And the world premiere of this particular film, The Wizard of Oz, was held right here in Oconomowoc on August 12th, 1939. The Strand Theatre is not here anymore. It's in this general area. I believe it was like 126 Wisconsin Avenue. So I'm guessing it was probably over here where that parking lot is where the old Strand Theatre used to be, I'm guessing. You know, it's one of those things you just don't know about until you find out about it. My sister was actually talking to me about it. She's like, we got to go to Oconomowoc because did you know that they world premiered The Wizard of Oz? It says here on this plaque, this commemorates the world premiere of MGM's. Wow, you can't really see that. I'm trying to like look off to the side and not be in the picture, but I'm in the picture. It says here, this commemorates the world premiere of MGM's The Wizard of Oz, shown here in downtown Oconomowoc at the Strand Theatre in 1939. And it's got a nice little etching there. But you know, the thing is, technically the film was shown in Green Bay 2 days prior and Dennis, Massachusetts 1 day prior. So, you know, they're credited for having the world premiere here, but I guess the world premiere to me is the first showing of it. So maybe Green Bay should hold that title. Here we got the Scarecrow. And there's Toto. Dorothy with her ruby red slippers. The Tin Man. And the Cowardly Lion. You know, they got a nice big mural here with the yellow brick road. Going all the way up there. Flying monkeys. They got the flying monkeys. You know, it's a classic. I mean, every Thanksgiving it used to be on, and we'd sit down and watch it. Or was it Christmas? I don't know. One of those holidays. Then here, separated from the rest of them, we got the Wicked Witch. Where's the Good Witch? How come the Good Witch isn't here? Hey, something smells funny here. Boy, she's got a lot of warts. Look at those warts. You know, there's stuff you can take care of that with, I think. Well, here it says Old Theater Mall across the street. So yeah, we are in the vicinity of where the theater used to be. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. I'm not going to skip, but I'm following the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Hey, it's ending. Now what do I do? Uh-oh. I guess I'm stuck here for eternity. All right, let's go check out and see what else Oconomowoc, Wisconsin has to offer, okay? Here we got the David Gould House, 1860. There's apparently a historic walking tour here in Oconomowoc. Look at that house, beautiful. They got some really beautiful houses here. Oh, look, they got some, they got like, what was that, Tom and Jerry on the lawn there? Hey, look at these houses here. My goodness. It's nice. I'm guessing that's a guest house in the back there. Look at that. Just gorgeous. You know, I don't know. It says the family owns it. Oh, it is a private residence. Okay. So for a second there, I was thinking maybe it's a bed and breakfast or something. Because either that one or this one could be a bed and breakfast. Look at how beautiful that is. Man, oh man, right on the lake. Loch LaBelle. Right next to each other. Got these beautiful neighbors here with these beautiful homes. And what's a visit to the city without checking out the Veterans Memorial Park they have here. See, they got some rules here. No dogs allowed, bicycles, skateboards, motor scooters, and snowmobiles. Why would you bring a snowmobile in here? Do not feed the waterfowl. Okay. Very nice. Right on the shore of Loch LaBelle. See what I mean by there's a lot of new development going on here. This is nice. Very nice here. It says, I did my duty. I paid the supreme price. I pray you'll remember my sacrifice. My life was short. I did my best. God grant me peace in my eternal rest. Somalia, Kosovo, Iraq, Persian Gulf. Afghanistan. It's important that, you know, you don't forget. You're free, you know, you have your rights for a reason. You have your freedoms for a reason. There's a reason these people fought for them. And some did pay the ultimate sacrifice. A lot of them paid the ultimate sacrifice and well, they came back home, most of them. But, they came home in spirits, shall we say. Right across the lake there's a nice little park with a band shell. So this is like Korean, Vietnam. You got World War II. Should have filmed here in the summer. Didn't think of it. It's beautiful though. Very quiet today, very still. It would have been nice to be here during the summer to see that beautiful fountain going. POW MIA, prisoner of war, missing in action. Their war is never over, and no, you are not forgotten. At least not by Yogi. Yogi has not forgotten you. Strength, patriotism, and sacrifice. He's there with them in spirit. They gave too. So the five corners of this are the armed forces. Got your Air Force, Airman's Creed. If you want to read it, you could pause it. U.S. Air Force. There's the empty boots and the rifle and the hat. The Navy, the Sailor's Creed. You can pause that if you want to read it. The logo. Marine Corps, my rifle. If you want to pause that and read it. These other two, American Soldier, Army and Army National Guard. And there's their logo. Their seal. If you want to read them, I'm pretty sure I got the Coast Guard, but I'm just going back over it again. And as we leave the Veterans Park, remember God's veterans.